Right now, it's more important than ever to get out on the water with your family through these very strange times. So here are a couple tips from MarineMax in St. Pete and how we're looking to get you out on the water and keep you on the water from the comfort of your own home. If you already do have a boat, it's never been easier. Check this out. With the MarineMax app, schedule all the servicing from washings to details, bottom cleaning, you name it, all from the comfort of your couch on your phone. If you don't already have a boat, what better time to get on one than right now? Whether it's Boston Whaler, Sea Rays, Aviara, Aquila, and many more, new or used, we've got it for you. And it's never been easier to shop for boats than online at www.marinemax.com. And when you do find that boat you're looking for, we have an office full of sales professionals eager to give you a virtual showing over FaceTime or whatever video conference chat. As far as the buying process goes, it's all done over DocuSign while you're eating cereal on the couch. Once you find the boat of your dreams, TJ, our business manager, gives you a call, gets you financed, and you're almost there to enjoying your endless staycation. MarineMax will even go as far to take it to you, whether it's by land on a trailer or on the water with an experienced captain that will spend a whole day with you showing you the ropes. Once again, I'm with MarineMax in St. Petersburg, Florida, and let's get you out on the water from the comfort of your home.